What's popping, billionaires gang? How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and of course good evening, wherever you are. Right, hope you guys are having a very nice time, and hope the trading week has been a fantastic one for you guys. This morning, guys, I know it's been a while that I've done morning analysis. I got some of your messages, right? Ask why didn't I do money analysis anymore. So I decided to bring it back again, guys. So guys, staying at my chat right now this morning, I haven't done anything yet, right? So I just want to do everything with you guys. All right, so looking at GBP JPY this morning, we can see that price crashes to the downside yesterday. We actually missed this move yesterday. I woke up very late, and when I woke up I was expecting price to have a retracement a little bit before jumping into the trade, and I couldn't buy it at a very good amount. I later saw the price at this point here. I don't just want to get into the trade because I would have loved to get into the trade somewhere around this place so I can have a very safe stop loss. Well, fortunately, guys, we lost the whole of the move, right? Which is very, very painful, but it's okay, right? The market is not running away, and opportunity will always present itself, right? So hopefully today we are going to catch something. Hopefully. Let's just go to this morning analysis. Presently, right now, what I can see here on the H4 is that price, has found a new uptrend. Right, so I guess this impulse move back down here was a kind of a retracement. If you guys invite this your Fibonacci tool just at this point here, you guys can see from that downside to here the debt wasn't paid, right? For those of you on the VIP, you understand what this means. And if you drag it all the way here to as well, the debt was not paid too as well, right? So just at this point here, we can see that the debt was paid. This looks more like a retracement, and even though the retracement was very, very strong, but it looks more like a retracement, and just today price might continue its uptrend. Right, just what I can see right now on the market right now, I see that price might probably continue its uptrend today, right? And presently what I can see right now is an uptrend, right? But definitely anything can change, right? This is Forex market, right? Things change all the time, right? That is the reason we always want to do our analysis every morning before getting into the trade, just to be sure which direction we think the market is going to, right? So just looking at this chart alone, if you're the VIP, you know what this means, right? That this is already on an uptrend, right? There's something we look out for somewhere around this point here that confirms to us that price is already on an uptrend. Right, so what I'm looking for right now this morning is I'm going to be looking for price to break this key psychological level here, just this psychological level we had here. I'm going to be waiting for price to break it, and after break it, I'll wait for price to pull back a little bit, and I'll go long. All right, let me put an arrow to what I'm saying. Just at this point here, I'll be waiting for price to break here. Then I'll wait for a little pullback, then I'll wait for a continuation, then I'll get into the trade somewhere around this point here for a continuation to go up, right? So this morning, that's what I'm looking for. Of course, there are other confluences, right? But this is just the basic thing, right? So on USD card, it's been a long time that I've marked these zones down. I was expecting price to come there, right? Either here or here. Right, and as you guys can see, price has been approaching all the way, right, all the way from here to this place and to this place, and we won this trade here, we won it here, and we won it here too at the same time. All right, but yesterday, right, something changed, right? The market was giving a bullish signal, so we were unable to get into the trade yesterday, right? And even with the bullish signal, there was not any signal to go long. All right, so presently right now, guys, I'm waiting, because if you're in the VIP right now too, you will see that this market here is showing a bearish momentum, right? Just mere looking at these candles here, you will see that the market is showing a very strong bearish momentum. So what I want to do now is, okay, looking at this, right, I want to go to H1, okay, and as you guys can see, this is a 7 o'clock candle, right? I think we'll be getting into this trade very, very early. So if you drag your Fibonacci from here all the way to this zone here, you will see that this red candle that has a very strong impact of push to the downside came from our Fibonacci golden zone. All right, so what does this mean? All right, what we needed now is another close of a 1 hour candle, right? So I'll be waiting for something like this, a little bit push up on a close of a 1 hour candle, then a crash down, right? That will be what I'll be waiting for, right? Of course, there are other confluences to these two, but at least this is the major thing, right? This is the basic thing I want to look for. Hopefully the price gives us at a very good price, right? So I'll be going short on USD card this morning. Of course, things can change, guys, don't get me wrong. Things can also change and the market break above this point, break above this key psychological level and continue back up, right? And we can lose, right? It's crazy with the mentality of some people come into the Forex market, right? They just think you can win all the time. You can be, no, there's no strategy for that, right? And that is why I always, when I get stopped out, I always post it that I got stopped out, so they can know that I'm not a perfect trader, right? There's nothing like that, right? Nothing like a perfect trader. But of course, risk management, risk management is the major thing you need to pay attention to, right? Me personally, I don't risk more than 1% of my account. I've never risked 1.5%. Nah. Ever since I've become profitable, I've never risked 1.5%, except if I'm trying to flip a small account, right? And of course, on a small account, you can't even have percentage, right? And small account, in the sense that less than $100 account, right? Once I start having like a $500 account or $200 account, my risk management is going to be in place, because it just messes with my psychology if I'm not having a very good risk management. We're currently up plus 5% on the VIP, this week already, right? 4 trades on the VIP, and of course we won 2, right? And the other one we closed at like 2 reward, right? We closed at 2 reward and we lost 1. Right? EUD is looking so overstretched, right? So overstretched, guys. But one thing I want you guys to pay very good attention to is that every single time market made it move, there was a payment of its debt, right? So this one here paid the debt, right? Then we had another impulse here all the way to this point here, completely paid. We had another impulse all the way from here to this one, even smashed above the impulse move, right? That tried to give us like a slight uptrend, but the uptrend couldn't hold just at this point here, and market just crashed down. That was the reason I got into this trade yesterday, right? Let me just explain why. So after seeing this impulse move here, we can see price smash above the impulse move with this another bullish impulse move at this point here. What is this signaling, right? After all these ones here has paid their debt, right? This one smash above the impulse move, right? It's kind of signal a bullish market to me, right? And even my strategy signal a very bullish market to me. That was the reason I waited for the market just at this point here to have a little bit retracement of this impulse move. Then after we had the retracement of this impulse move, I got into the trade for a buy. All right, and of course price does this thing, right? So you can't be right all the time, right? Price does this thing and we lost the trade. Price just continue after having this bullish impulse move. It gave another bearish impulse move just to correct it again. So anything can happen, right? Anything can happen. So just at this point here, we had a smash through, and right now what I can see this morning is still a bearish market, right? It's still a very bearish market, but as well the market is really overstretched. But guys, we don't really need to concern ourselves with overstretch or whatever. As long as every of our confluences, you know, met, right, we don't need to start bothering ourselves with overstretched market, because we're just gonna give it a try, right? If we give it a try, if we lose, it's okay, the win is gonna come, right? So how do you compare, you know, losing just 1 to win 3, right? So 10 trades I lose 7, I'm still profitable. 10 trades I lose 6, I'm still profitable. So that's just the beauty of it, right? So I'm not going to be down just because of 1 trade, of course not. It's just to wait for price to break this key psychological level, retrace, and continue back down, right, all the way to this point here, right? That's what I'm looking for. Just as easy as that, right? Of course there are other confluences, because there are some things that will make me not take the trade, right? There are some things that might happen. So guys, this is just my short analysis. As you guys know, I trade just 3 pairs. My videos are coming out, and the video of, you know, $10 to, you know, to get my Forex fund, you know, 10k challenge will still be coming out. And I'm currently, you know, planning on getting, you know, Trader Central Fund live account, which I'm definitely going to be showing with you guys. I'm going to be trading it right in front of you guys. So those are the video I have in plan right now, and I might probably, you know, make a video of my, you know, account management, you know, some of the account that I'm managing. I'm probably going to be showing you guys some interesting stuff, right? Some interesting videos. So guys on the YouTube, you might want to subscribe to my channel, and let's be family. And of course, guys on the channel already watch this video, please guys, give this video a thumbs up, all right? Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.